This has to do with you're being asked from Saturn here to be realistic, to be concerned about. You must wait before you can. The maturity that brings caution regarding limits imposed, because this is Capricorn season, and working with the sun to demonstrate, to realize, to act like a leader, and to create the gaining of respect for or from things brought to life or light. So you were hurt and saw something within yourself, like you being hurt put you into protection mode with your impulses, with your authenticity. And you being hurt was like, it set forth authentic patterns for you to like fight back with your light, with your authenticity of where you were hurt, of where it was unjust. But you're all things. So this is bringing you experience and maturity. And these limits imposed were for purpose. So you need to heal with this. Like there's some sort of healing that happens here because this allowed you to be realistic. And you need to be realistic. This is the merging of the 3D and the 5D. Fantasy and reality. But even fantasy and reality and like what is God's world? What is beyond? Like this is the merging of all things, and there is a maturity through a limit being imposed that allowed you to be realistic of how you were merging fantasy with reality and creating here, co-creating here. Okay, so I'm just feeling called to get a quick activation here. All of this work is happening within the Six of Wands, working with the masculine action, Mars, and it's creating this bridge. It's coming back healed and creating this bridge within the Two of Cups. But there was pain here, there was sorrow, there was depression. This depression created the energy to get through this and to achieve healing. And now there is a bridge. Okay, there's a bridge. And like you were a Disney princess wanting to go for a ride on Aladdin's magic carpet ride, but you were in the wrong movie. It's like you needed to see you're in Cinderella and your fairy godmother and like all the creatures within the forest and nature and the elements, and everybody had to show up for you within this way, within divine timing, for something to be manifested for you. And you need to heal with the story of Cinderella, like something to do with healing from the story of Cinderella and realizing you are going from this movie to this movie. Like it's an identification even like of character of this person to this person, right? Like you're identifying with a new character within a new movie. And I found that on my walk. So that's how it ended up here. And was called to pick it up, and here it is as part of the message. How these things happen. Okay, I'm feeling called for a shuffle. Let's just shuffle. Let's just get the energy. There it is. It's clearing this up, right? This was the energy, right, that allowed you to be realistic about something and create, and you've created a bridge from old to new identity, right? And as within, so without. And there, of course, within the 7 of Pentacles to the 10, there it is. We've come full circle from part 1. Something wasn't in alignment, but it is now through this experience of expanding. Now, like right now, here's the sun. Creating this through the well. It's being whole. Look at that shape right there. It's positive and negative. It's dark and light. It's this and that. It's all things. This is falling down to rise. This is that right here. Limits imposed and like like some sort of constriction. But then that allowing you to create and to be whole. You had to be realistic first, get into alignment with your authenticity and your truth, and to do this work to heal your thread of narcissism and do your part that you came here to do for the collective. And you realized something here, and it's allowing you to have more emotional intelligence and co-create this. And now you're in manifestation mode. All right, much love. Until next time, you know I'm sending it to you, those good healing vibes. I look forward to seeing you then when we expand. Take care. And give us a few minutes because this was off the fly. We didn't know we were meeting here today. And next time we meet up, it's going to be for the new moon in Capricorn and the sun entering Aquarius. Much love.